तरफ एक मुल्क था जिसकी आबादी 1 बिलियन से ज्यादा थी, and on the other side there was a nation whose will to fight was there. So the size and the numbers, remember, they don't matter. It is your will to survive, the will to fight, that is what matters. Our soldiers lived up to our history. We came with the valor of Tipu Sultan and the battle tactics of Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi, and we ensured it is your unity, it's your faith, it's your discipline, and it's your sacrifice which matters.
Today, DGISPR visited King Edward Medical University, and we are highly grateful for his visit today. And as a youth, we feel extremely secure by the presence of army at the borders, and his speech was truly promising.
Today, I would like to thank you, ISPR, for your valuable time and insights. And I hope such interactions continue in the future to bridge the gap between the youth and the institutions. We are proud at our armed forces, Pakistan Zindabad.
आज यहाँ पे हमारा एक इंटरेक्टिव सेक्शन था DGISPR जनरल अहमद शरीफ के साथ, जितने ओपनली यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स ने सवाल किए, अच्छे तरीके से जनरल साहब ने हमें जवाब दिए.
We attended the interactive session, and after attending that, we are sure that no power on earth can undo Pakistan. We are proud of our army working tirelessly, sleeplessly on borders just because safety of our state.
I salute Pakistan Army, which stands like Bunyadul Marsus in every internal and external conspiracy. After today's session, our bond with Army has gotten even stronger. Pakistan Army is our pride, our protector, and our hope.